You keep asking where the line is. You keep poking the bruise to see if it still hurts. Well, here's your map, here's your compass. Read it and weep. Trail down the altar, burn the script. The gospel of a pure is a goddamn trip. You talk about tradition while you're tightening the knot, but your version of heaven is a parking lot. I'm sick of the whispers, the polite little lies, the way you judge a soul by the shape of its eyes. And don't tell me to simmer, don't tell me to wait, while you build a kingdom, a foundation of hate.
In case you don't know where I stand,
I'm drawing the border with a shaking hand. Fuck the boys, fuck the ice, fuck the bro, fuck the price. If you're hunting for a target, if you're looking for a fight, I'm standing in the middle of your wrong and your right. Screaming loud, screaming clear, your bigotry the only thing we fear. Anatomy, check the heart. The natural order is falling apart. Women aren't property, boys aren't stone, and a man who cries isn't losing his throne. Go ahead, call it a cult, call it spawners and greed, while you plant every lie like a poisonous seed. You mock the fur, you mock the skin, but your hollow heart is where the rot begins. For the ones you call broken, for the ones in the rain, for the blood on the floor and the invisible pain. Self-harm isn't a joke. Suicide isn't a punch.